Yo guys, me Patrick Levar, back again with one of my 1-minute videos. Today I was out with the Zunion M2 and I wasn't happy with its movements. A lot of times the settings were just a little bit herky-jerky, but also I have to blame it on myself because I haven't been using the gimbal in a while. But today I was out with the Motion Cam app. Now there's audio available in it, which is really cool. But I'm still having some issues trying to get the best shots out of it as possible. Every time I close the app, it just seems to not remember the settings, and I kept forgetting to change or lock white balance or change the auto ISO or the focus. So still learning, but it was still fun. Keep filming. Patrick Levar.